If you want to add tasks or events on your Redmi Watch 6, then what you need to do is you need to use your smartphone. Now, if your watch is paired with a Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco smartphone, then in that case you can simply use the Notes app that you have on your phone. It should be, of course, available. Make sure that it is up to date, and then you can use it in order to create tasks and include some notes. And then you should be able to, of course, go to the apps list on your watch, and then you need to find the tasks app. There we go, and then you can find your completed and not completed tasks. Simple as that. But if your Redmi Watch 6 is paired with another smartphone, whether it is another Android smartphone that is not Redmi, Xiaomi or Poco, or with an iPhone, then in that case you want to go to the MyFitness app or MyFitness app. Then you want to go to device at the bottom, and then here we need to go to apps, and then we have task reminders where you can add tasks onto your watch. So over here I'm just gonna set up a simple tasks. There we go. And now we should be able to once again open the tasks app. And there we go. Here in not completed we have our task, and we can also mark it as completed. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.